Okay, I just made simple stuff here and want to include the HTTP client, and when I started it I got this red warning that there is no provider for the HTTP client. Seems a tricky one, but it's not a tricky one, it's a simple one. Just go to the app module and include the HTTP client module. Yeah, save it and let's see what's going on. Yeah, there it's just gone away. Okay, the next one is the typical 404. When you are deploying the application to somewhere like an IIS server and just navigating on the routes, this is an Angular route, and when you are on the route and trying to reload the application, it's a 404 coming. You are just thinking, what the hell, the route is there. No. The server is trying to serve the browser from a physical file, but the file is not there. I mean the payment folder or something like that. The payment route is not on the server, it's on the client. So you have to tell the browser that in this case, when something is not found, and if it's not a physical file on the disk, then try to serve the index.html to the browser, and the browser will load that index.html and try to solve the route from that point. In this case, you have two solutions. The first one is to use the hashbang location strategy, which is an Angular feature. So just tell the routing that you are using hashbang navigation. Yeah, like this one. In this case, there won't be 404. The second solution is on the IIS or some other environment like the Apache or NGX or something like that, to use something like a rewrite module and use rewrite rules. In this case, the rule is simple. This is the rewrite rule. So if file is not physical file and it's not a folder, then just jump into the root folder and load the default document, and the default document is the index.html, and that will load the Angular application. So if I'm copying this file to the distribution folder and trying to reload, yeah, the reload is working. Yeah, it's fine. Just one note: if you are just copying this web configuration file to the distribution folder of the IIS, I mean to the application, maybe you will get some config error or something like that. That means that you didn't install the rewrite module. So in this case, just you need to install this one. This is part of the web platform installer, so just download it, install it, and the rewrite rule will be working. Okay, the next one seems simple. I just made a form. It's a reactive one, and the message is coming up here like can bind a form group. Yeah, we got this issue many times, so we know what to do. The issue is that the reactive forms module is not included. Let's save it. Seems fine. Yeah, and it's loading. Okay. Okay guys, let's see. I have a simple input field here and a text with a visible condition and with a button to show it, and let's see how it's going. But during the compilation time I got this ngmodel is not a known property of input. We know it every time we are facing it, so yeah, but it's easy to fix. The main reason is that the forms module is not included. Mostly it's coming into the picture when you have some modules in your application and it's not the app module is the root, and if you have child module you need to include it like this one. And I hope it's on. Yeah, it's working, but look at this. Okay, a very special one. It's not very rare. You can bump into it. So this one is that can bind to ngif. It's not known property of what. We know it. The issue is that you don't have the common module. So that's what you need to include here. Yeah, and I hope, yes. Oh, what? No, it's not working, but why it's not working? Very strange. And the button is not working. Okay. Start the compilation again and see what's going on. I'm assuming that this one is just a compile time issue. Yeah. It's a very strange situation that even if you fix it and Angular is rebuilding the application, the issue is not fixed, so you have to restart the compilation. I mean the build. Yeah. So this issue is popping up when you are doing your own module and the stuff is not included. I mean, you are not including it. When you are generating it with the Angular CLI, it's automatically, the common module is automatically included, the first module is not, so you have to put it by hand.